Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Vivo. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called iOS Launcher from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now click on while using the app, select Allow, and then just close your app. Now go into Settings, scroll all the way down and choose Applications and Permissions. Then go into Permission Management, click on Default App Settings, and finally tap on Home Screen. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher to apply it. Then tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into the same settings and click on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!